Hello guys, here's a quick tutorial on how to play eFootball on iPhone using a PS4 controller. Step 1. Turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone. Head over to your iPhone settings, tap on Bluetooth, and make sure it's switched on so your device can detect nearby accessories. Step 2. Put your PS4 controller into pairing mode. Press and hold the PS button and the share button on your PS4 controller at the same time. The light bar will begin flashing, meaning the controller is now ready to pair. Step 3. Connect the controller to your iPhone. Back in your Bluetooth settings, find the name wireless controller or a similar listing. Then tap on it to pair your iPhone with the controller. Step 4. Launch eFootball. Open the eFootball app on your iPhone, let it load up so you can access in-game settings. Step 5. Set up the controller inside the game. Inside eFootball, go to Settings, then to Controller Settings. Select your PS4 controller from the list to enable it for gameplay. Once connected, you'll have controller input activated. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy eFootball with your PS4 controller on iPhone, giving you improved control and smoother gameplay. Legal and content disclaimer: this tutorial is for educational purposes only and shows how to properly use built-in Bluetooth and game features. It is completely legal, safe, and does not breach YouTube's terms of service. You're using official device support and in-app settings, not third-party hacks or software. Now go enjoy your matches with console-style precision, straight from your phone. And that would be all for today's quick tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.